Hi and welcome to this channel, and in this video I will be showing you 12 ways of how to make money by reading books online. Yes, 12, so stick to the end. You can do it both on your mobile phone or even on your PC or your gadget. Now, if you're watching this without subscribing, all I need from you is to scroll down and hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me, and thank you for subscribing. Also, if you would like to know how to create passive income online, watch this playlist on my channel, as I have explained you from lesson 1, where step by step how to create passive income online. You may also watch the other playlist on my journey with online working, truths and myths, and how to know whether you should quit your job or not. I have also given you my forex trading journey and why I quit on that video. So stick to the end. Let's go to number 1. Number 1 is known as Audible. So now Audible, we have an application and you can also do it on the website. Audible is owned by Amazon and it offers a huge library of audiobooks, and they run programs like Audible Captions or Audible Reviews, where you can earn credits by listening to audiobooks and writing reviews. Now, how do you get started? You sign up for Audible and you can start with a free trial of 30 days. Use credits to listen to audiobooks and you review them to earn credits. Okay? And how do they pay? The credits can be exchanged for audiobooks or for gift cards. So, are you a book lover? You can not only listen to the book, but you can also earn from it. Then we have Swagbucks, which we have a website and an application. Of course, Swagbucks does not only offer reading tasks only. No, Swagbucks also usually offer other tasks like surveys and many others. So in case you come across a task of reading a book, as well you can be asked to read a book, to summarize, or even to watch a video. And so you get started by signing up for Swagbucks, and then you earn points by completing various tasks. Then you can also look for book related activities that offer points. So they pay through a PayPal Cash, gift cards, and many more. Then we have a Book Scouter, which is a website and an application. So Book Scouter helps you buy and sell used books. It also allows you to review books and connect with publishers looking for reviews and summaries. You just need to sign up and check out for offers for book reviewing or summary reading jobs. They can pay cash for book trades, or payment for book reviews can vary based on the publisher or the platform you're working with. Then we have the Inbox Dollars, which is a website and app, and they reward you for completing various online tasks, which may include reading book summaries, watching videos, and also reading articles. So now once you sign up, you just complete the tasks and you can get paid through PayPal Cash or even gift cards. Then we have Readsy, which is our website, and you just need to sign up for Readsy as a reader or a reviewer, and you will get paid through PayPal depending on the project or on the client you work with. Then we have Get Paid to Read, which is a website, and this offers an opportunity to make money by reading books and articles. You just need to sign up, then you can start the tasks and you get paid through PayPal, check, or even gift cards. Then we have Reading Rewards, which is a website and an app, and it allows you to read, to log to your reading and complete the reading challenges, and you can get paid through gift cards for bookstores such as Amazon. You also have Online Book Club, which is a website which connects readers with others who are looking for reviews. Yes, so if you'd like to review a book, you can come to Online Book Club. You just need to sign up and apply to review the books that interest you, and you get paid through PayPal. Then we have the Slice the Pie, which is a website and an app, and it rewards you for reviewing music, clothing, books, and it can also offer an opportunity sometimes to review books. You just need to sign up, then browse if there is any task which is available related to book review, and then you just review it and get paid through PayPal. You also have BookBolt, which is a website and an app. So this one, they don't pay directly for reading, but you can write book reviews on the books you've read and potentially earn gift cards and other rewards. So they pay through gift cards. Now let's move on to the next. We have Audible Listener or Rewards app, and besides the normal audiobook credits, this may offer listeners rewards for reviewing their books or engaging with specific content. You just need to sign up as a listener, participate in their promotional campaigns for extra rewards or other activities that they may be having. Of course, you get paid through credits, which you can exchange for more audiobooks. And finally, book review jobs or websites, and it connects reviewers with authors and publishers, and you can apply for it, sign up and apply, and you get paid through PayPal. So among the 12 for book readers, whether you are a lover of books or you're not, you can just sign up for any of those and start earning in whatever way that you want, whether it's in gift cards or PayPal. Now remember to subscribe if you are watching this without subscribing, and also watch the other playlist. Bye.